The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. At 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, astronomers had discovered an asteroid, named 433 EAS, and it is heading towards the planet. All residents in the United States, stay calm, as it might go collide with the moon. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation. We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of NASA. The asteroid, 433 EAS, is expected to impact the coast of New York City within 5 hours. There is nothing we can do to stop this catastrophic event. All residents of the United States, brace for the end. Say goodbye to our beloved planet Earth.